React-Bootstrap widget library. React-Bootstrap supersedes Bootstrap JavaScript, with Bootstrap being its fundamental element. This project is meticulously constructed in adherence to the official React-Bootstrap website guidelines. Characteristics. 1. Pixel perfect. Each element is meticulously crafted to achieve perfection. 2. Interactive and motional. Engage users with captivating interactions and motion effects. 3. Most React Bootstrap components included. Explore a wide range of components for seamless design. 4. Supports fast searching. Quickly find what you need for efficient and smooth design workflows.